How do lawn sprinkler systems work? That's a good question. I get asked that all the time, and obviously I take it for granted because that's what I've done for 38 years since I was a kid. Hey, let's give your property a little TLC. Seeing your lush green lawn is a welcome sight. Keeping them that way can be a lot of hassle though, especially if you don't have a lawn sprinkler system. Imagine coming back and forth with a hose on a blazing hot day trying to water your lawn. Lucky for us, we now have technology which makes almost everything better and more convenient. I'm here to talk about the new technologies and how a lawn sprinkler system works. Knowing the functions of a sprinkler system can make you realize the important and advantages of installing an underground lawn sprinkler system in your property. It will also be easier to learn how to properly navigate the functions of your lawn sprinkler controller and valves of your lawn sprinkler system. Where does the function of a lawn sprinkler begin? A capacity supply line carries water to your home and directly to your lawn sprinkler system. A system shuttle valve will be connected to the supply line so that even if your sprinkler is not running, the water supply inside the house will not be affected. The sprinkler system will also have a backflow preventer that will avoid the contamination of the water that goes into your home. This is very important. You will also find a sprinkler system valve that will regulate the water pressure in your system. Okay, understanding how the water gets to your system is important, especially when considering troubleshooting any problems. What are the components of your lawn sprinkler system that you should familiarize yourself with? There are quite a few valves and components that you will see in a sprinkler system. You'll generally find a backflow prevention device, manifold, sprinkler valve box, specific valves, as well as different kinds of lawn nozzles. Each device has a function, and it's important to ask your lawn sprinkler professional what each device does so that you have a great understanding of your system. Trust your lawn sprinkler professional and don't be afraid to ask questions. There's no dumb questions in the industry, and we're here to help you understand your system on install day. So you know the components. Now what? The installation of a lawn sprinkler system is not something that you can just DIY. But don't worry, there are tons of professionals in your area. TLC Incorporated has over 30 years of experience and exclusive deals in your area to help you achieve a perfect lawn and the best functioning lawn sprinkler system your home can have. Give TLC a call here at the office at 410-721-2342. We'll be glad to come out and give you a free, no obligation estimate of your lawn sprinkler system's needs and answer any questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you are enjoying these tips and tricks from TLC, hit the like and subscribe button to receive these weekly.